Oh yes, it's a Friday feeling. We have gone a whole week and we're back in Dad's RC hanging with Chris, trying to think about things. But never mind, I thought about it all. If you're into Nitro and you like your Nitro planes, then you're in the right place, because I'm going to show you something really sexy. Oh yes, now when you start your Nitro plane, you start with a motor, starter motor, which I should have had here ready to show you, but I haven't. But you know what I mean if you're into Nitro planes. Now it has got a, like, you know, my electric starter has got the back, like the cable coming out, puts in the box, and all that sort of thing. Trouble is, I just wanted to know if there was a different type of one. And yes, from a line in this sexy box that's going to blind you in science that I can't get in focus, but it doesn't matter because I'm going to get all up close and personal. Oh yes, oh yes, I've even scratched it. But anyway, it comes in a lovely box like this with a clip, and inside you get a very sexy starter. Now on here it comes with a stick, or it's an extension, so you can start helis. So there's a heli fitment, but obviously this one here is a fitting. I'm doing it one-handed, but it's a fitting for obviously an aeroplane from a line. So that screws into the end of this. Let's just take this out quickly. I am doing it one-handed to show you a bit of iPhone camage. I love the box. This serial number actually matches the serial number of there. There you go. It's not too bad, is it? Oh, back to here. So you saw the lovely sexy box, and this is a sexy piece of kit. There you go. I'm trying to look there to see if I get it in focus. It's probably not. Now the good thing about this is a high torque system. Now it is also a LiPo battery. You don't need, this is the other one I have. This has got lots of leads. Now this is fine. It works. It does the business. It's slightly heavier than this. This is slightly lighter, well, a bit lighter, should I say? And it, you know, it's got the bit where you charge it. Noises. Sound effects are for free. So yes, but it's cable. Now when anything near a Nitro prop, I don't want cables. I want to start it, let it go, and go. So this one, this takes a LiPo. Now I'm going to just try to come round. Boink! Yes, yes, you use the Overlander battery LiPo, 2,200 milliamp, 11.1 volt, 3S. It has a 30C constant discharge, but it has the most important 60C bursts. Now this is kind of the battery that you've got to use for this, if I can still keep that in focus, and it's also got a Dean's connector. Yes, so that is the tip. Use this battery. Now it doesn't come with a battery, but you need to use this battery because it fits in the back. See, if I just show you, it just slides off the back here. It's still trying to get me in focus anyway, but you literally plonk it in. Which way is it? That's the best way to do it, is this away. And then there's a Dean's connector on the other end in here, like so, and you just push down the cable like so. Stick the connector back on again, or should I say the back connector, and you can do a battery check. I don't know if that's going to come in focus at all. In fact, let's bring it a bit closer. There we go. If we do the battery check, there you go. So it's saying it's not great, but then when you press it, it's like Knight Rider. If you don't know what Knight Rider and his car kit is, Google it. But that reminds me of a guy, Knight Rider. Oh, excuse me. So it's really easy to put together. You just put this and you tighten. Now obviously it's the same thing with the Nitro for the helis. It's just it's a lot longer. And then it gives you the 35C, so it's bang on the end of the prop. Oh, do you see that kick? Oh my god! Don't you think it's a bit weird though that you got the little pinky? It's all about the pinky right there. Oh, I get it now. Yes, it's a Posh one. Because you used the Posh pinky, yes? Oh, I see. So there you go. If you want to start Nitro engines, then don't worry about cables. It's cable free. Oh, yes. It's almost like James Bond, don't you think? Quickie one. This is to show you my little present that I bought myself, just for starting up my Nitros, because I don't want cables. And to be honest, when you got this and this together, this is heavy, clunky, lots of cableage all over the place. When this is nice and light, 3S LiPo can have ones in there charged up, ready to go. And I can start my Nitro engine, I can enjoy my flying. As for flying, well, flying's not come about yet. Paul Heckles we're trying to meet the lines, the planets and everything else. We was going to try this Saturday, but unfortunately I am busy this Saturday, so he couldn't do Friday, so we'll see anyway. But I've got to get out there and fly. Got to push for that ASA. It's got to be coming soon. Anyway, if you can get out and fly, get out and fly. Get out and fly, enjoy yourself. Love this lovely hobby. And if you're driving, flying Nitro, or driving Nitro, or even a heli, then look out for a line. Google it. I'll leave some descriptions or some links in the descriptions where you can find it. If you've got a heli, that's even better because you can get the heli extension and keep in the same box. Lovely plastic yellow box. No, I'm not sponsored. I just love it. This is my little toy because it does batteries and it does that and it looks like Knight Rider's kit car stuff. Anyway, thanks for popping by. I really appreciate it. It's been a quick one today, but that's okay. It's all good. It's still that Friday feeling, and that Friday feeling is coming at you. I'm trying to give you that oof, so you enjoy yourself. But I'm sure you do that anyway. But listen, if you can fly, get out. You can drive, fly, quad, you name it. Get out and have some fun. Life is too short not to have fun. But make sure you are safe. So be safe, keep safe, but most of all, have fun. And I'll see you next week. Ta-ra. Thanks for popping by.